In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly as an executive assistant. 5 minutes. First, get your Calendly account set up using either the executive's work email or your own, depending on your organization's policy. Once you're in, the most important foundation is connecting calendars. Link every relevant calendar the executive uses, work, team, and any shared calendars, so Calendly can check availability across all of them and prevent double bookings. Choose the specific calendar where new events should be created so meetings land in the right place automatically. Next, define default availability. Set the executive's standard working hours and days so only appropriate times appear as bookable. If there are recurring commitments, block those out so they never show as open. You can always fine-tune availability later for busy periods or travel weeks. Integrate video conferencing tools like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Google Meet. Connecting these apps allows Calendly to add conferencing details to each booking without manual work. With those integrations active, Calendly will automatically generate unique meeting links for every appointment, which keeps things secure and eliminates link reuse. Create event types to match common scenarios. Think of these as templates you can reuse. A one-on-one event is perfect for meetings between the executive and a single invitee. Use group or collective options when multiple participants need to attend or when invitees can schedule with any available team member. Label these clearly so stakeholders always understand what they're booking. Dial in the details that protect the executive's time. Set appropriate meeting durations, shorter for quick check-ins, longer for deep dives. Add buffer time before and after meetings for preparation, commuting, or debriefing so the day doesn't stack back to back. Establish a minimum notice period to avoid last-minute surprises and set a daily meeting limit to preserve focus time. For each event type, specify the location. That could be a physical room, a phone call, or one of your connected video links. Make sure time zone display is enabled so invitees see availability in their own local time, reducing confusion and rescheduling. Finally, as the assistant, you can use the executive's scheduling links to book on their behalf. Open the correct event link, choose the best time, add all participants, include a clear agenda or context in the notes, and confirm. The meeting will appear on the connected calendar with all the right details. With these settings in place, Calendly becomes a reliable, low-effort system that protects the executive's time while making scheduling fast and professional.